Alright, just where we're at here. Got the fucking pulley off. Adjust that header over there. Got a little touchy, but got the pulley off. Cam's in. Retainer plate. Cam gears back in. 6 and 12. Cleaning stuff up out there, as you can see. You're gonna go back, I guess, go back together. I had to order a new crank. I don't want to put this guy back on there. Kind of a piece. Got her off though. That's the update. Searing rack and stuff. That was all up in the air, but it's together now. But hopefully I can stay and I could just fix the exhaust issue over there. Little gap, dent something, or anyways. Cam's in. I did it. Little sketch. Little sketch. It's all clean. Gasket's in. I got some gunk in the corners. I think it's kind of etiquette from what I'm told. Redo gaskets. Ready to rock and roll, folks. Just a little update. Let's get after it. Let's get it.